Peers that I looked up to because of their experience in the industry had moved to Colliers and had a great feedback on the work atmosphere, advisory projects, the supportive leadership, and the growth opportunities offered by the organization. And these factors certainly motivated me to join the organization. I am someone who is driven by change, and the diversity of projects I get to be a part of, and the support from the leadership is something that keeps me motivated and curious. What also motivates me is the collaborative and energetic work environment offered by the firm. We recently moved to a new space and conducted collaborative and fun activities, which was certainly helpful in keeping the spirits high last year. Having lived and worked in multiple cities in India, I've been truly lucky to gather actionable insights on various geographies and channelize the knowledge gained in my role as a real estate consultant. Also, data-driven insights intrigue me and is a core strength of mine that I'm able to utilize in my work. I believe that the key lies in action-based planning. I'm also fortunate to have a very driven and structured leadership in the team. So together we break down each project in stages and follow a very dynamic review process, which also helps us in channelizing our effort in a more relevant and meaningful way. Also, the experience and knowledge that the team collectively offers helps in structuring the assignment delivery in a systematic manner, making our deliverables relevant and unique to each client we collaborate with. Well, I think for me, it would certainly be collaborative. I'm someone who believes in maintaining a good working relationship with my peers, and Colliers offers me the perfect platform to leverage this dynamic and collaborative work environment. The opportunity to work on diverse geographies, various asset classes, and provide unique and relevant solutions to my client. Further, the opportunity to collaborate with clients and peers from different service lines has proved to be an important factor in developing my skill set. During the pandemic, the organization had put in a lot of efforts in organizing virtual and offline collaborative activities, which certainly helped us stay calm and motivated during these challenging times. The opportunity to grow and the dynamic work environment has helped me own my skills, and I look forward to an exciting year as we see recovery from the pandemic.